Hi, this is Andrew Berwald with GoEngineer. In this video, I'll be talking about some new features added to SOLIDWORKS 2015 for consumer part design. With SOLIDWORKS 2015, there's some great added functionality for controlling the shape of your consumer parts. Previously, we were only able to add in fillets with a symmetric profile. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2015, we can add fillets with an asymmetric shape where we can control the radius on each of its faces. The preview will update to show the changes that you've made, and your finished fillet is going to look a lot more interesting than the ones you might be used to. We also have an advanced readout for the curvature of our filled surfaces, our lofted surfaces, and our boundary surfaces. Using these settings here, we can enable the curvature combs to see the curvature of our surface before we create it. And we can also use the zebra stripe features to have a little more in-depth analysis of our shape's curvature. Another new feature that's been added to SOLIDWORKS 2015 is the ability to make a cut with an open profile. Previously this was possible, but we were only able to make cuts through the entire part. With SOLIDWORKS 2015, we're able to choose the contours we want to cut and choose a certain depth for it. Before, we would have had to cut all the way through. There are often times that we want to create a plane, whether it be for a feature or for a section cut. We want that to be in a custom orientation. Now in 2015, we have the ability to create planes that are parallel to our computer screen. Notice here I can select a point and choose to make the plane parallel and through that point. I can offset that, maintaining parallel to my screen. But once the plane's been made, I can use that plane for a section cut to see inside of my part. One of the great functionalities of this feature is the ability to update your plane after you've changed orientations. Notice here I can update the plane by editing the feature. And then when I rebuild my section view, I am able to look at my part from this new orientation. Now once we have created our part, usually we like to show it off. New to PhotoView 360 is the ability to render only a region of your model. By using the render region feature, we can hone in on a certain area and we can see what it would look like upon rendering. This way, if we need to adjust the lighting for anything, we can make sure that we don't spend all the time rendering the entire image. Notice how it updates as we move it around. This tool can be a great time saver for dialing in your renders. Thank you for watching. This has been Andrew Berwald with GoEngineer.